Open your favorite browser and then search for SQL Server. The first link which will appear here will be from Microsoft.com. I'm going to just click on this link, and once this Microsoft.com website is open, you can see various options available. There are two editions available. One is Developer Edition and another one is Express Edition. We need Express Edition. Click on this download button. SQL Express Edition downloaded. I'm going to click on the executable file. I will just minimize the browser. You can see the SQL Server installer has been started. Select Custom option. Installation location by default disk C. If you need to change, select location or leave by default. Ready to install SQL Server. Click on Install and wait for a few minutes. SQL Server 2019 downloaded successfully. Various options for installing additional features are available here. Click on this new SQL Server standalone installation. The setup will start. Click Next. Checking the product updates. Click Next. Loading installation. Setup files. Click Next. Here given the installation rules. Click Next. Installation type leave by default. Click Next. Read the license terms and accept license terms. Click Next. Click Next. Select default instance. Click Next. Install JRE leave by default, or, if already installed, select location of the JRE. Click Next. Select Windows Authentication Mode. Click Next. Accept Install R Programming. Click Next. Accept Install Python Programming. Click Next. Installation process. Click Next. SQL Server 2019 setup completed. Click on this Install SQL Server Management Tools. It will redirect to the SQL Server Management Studio. Scroll down and click on the SSMS download. SQL Server Management Studio downloaded. I'm going to click on the executable file. I will just minimize the browser. You can see the SQL Server installer has been started. Installation location by default disk C. If you need to change, select location or leave by default. Ready to install SQL Server. Click on Install and wait for a few minutes. SQL Server Management Studio installed successfully. Open SQL Server Management Studio. Server type mentioned here. Choose server name or leave by default. Authentication is Windows Authentication. Click to connect. Right-click Database. Enter the database name. Click OK. The database created. Open new query and create table. You can see the query for employee table. Click to execute the query. Employee table and database successfully created. Thank you for watching this video.